Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get your job card number online. First, navigate to the designated government employment portal. This is your primary gateway for all job card-related services. Once there, look for the specific section dedicated to job card information or online services. Having your registration details, such as your application ID or personal identification number, readily available will streamline the process significantly. This initial step is crucial for a smooth experience. After reaching the portal, you will need to log in using your registered credentials. This typically involves a username and password that you created during your initial registration. Once successfully logged in, proceed to your personal dashboard or profile area. Within this section, you should find an option clearly labeled View Job Card, My Job Card Details, or something similar. Clicking this will lead you to your specific job card information. Upon selecting the View Job Card option, your unique job card number will be prominently displayed on the screen. This number is a crucial identifier for all employment-related services. Take a moment to carefully note down this number for future reference. Many portals also offer the convenience of printing a physical copy or saving a digital version of your job card. This ensures you always have access to your details when needed. It is vital to keep your login credentials secure and confidential to protect your personal information. If you encounter any difficulties accessing your account or finding your job card number, do not hesitate to contact the portal's support or help desk. They are there to assist you with technical issues. Furthermore, regularly checking the official portal for any updates or new features can be beneficial, ensuring you stay informed about your employment services.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.